Well, I happened to view one of the newscasts in TV5, the morning show of Errol Tolfo and Andanar. There was once one of the interviews there that says, well, kung darating talaga ang Panginoon sa May 21, kailangan talaga mag-utak ako ngayon ng maraming. Kasi pagdating ng May 21, at least quits na lahat. Diba? Wala naman yung singil kay end of the world naman. So nagkatawa ang newscaster, somebody in the newscast, o after ako interview. Well, tunay na mga in fact, even up to today, okay, these professional people of great knowledge, so to speak, is actually enthusiastically giving the same kind of message. They are even, spending most of the time, di ba? Doon naman sa kami parikita na American Japanese citizen, individual, di ba? He left his job, he left his family, and spend most of his resources that just to secure materials to warn people that Jesus will be coming on May 21 this month. So kung atong naman, pila na naman daw, kung atong ikaw na nagsuon. None. 7 days? 14, plus 7 is 21. So which means that we are now living in the most solemn, of course, solemn in the sense that we are now undergoing and we are now actually being judged in this investigative judgment. Okay? Not in the sense that Jesus will be coming on the 7th day. But anyway, let me